Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing a continuation of our solar experience. So these are the flat panels you've seen before, and here are the Solyndras that we spoke of last week. We've only brought 8 of them up because they were quite heavy, and it was a full-time job just getting them on the roof. The nice thing about them is they're so heavy and they don't really catch too much wind because they have no sail area. So we could probably just sit them up on the roof like this without too much additional racking. They're purportedly self-ballasting, which means, they'll stay in place by themselves without much help. Now, to go over the connection, if you notice, we marked out where the positive and negative leads are. So in lieu of having 2 cords, a positive and negative lead that's really long that comes out of the back, like these traditional ones, they have 4 short stubby connections. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to parallel these 4 panels right here at 91 volt approximately and 2.7 amps. So parallel, it'll give us 91 volts and approximately 11 amps. On this side, we're going to do the same, except over here, towards the end, we're going to connect the positive to the negative. And out the other end, we're going to kind of port out a positive and negative lead over there, which in total, in theory, should give us approximately 180 volts at 11 amps. So hopefully, once we hook everything up, that's what's going to happen. Now, with this existing setup, we're taking one of the PV ports in our inverter, and it's drawing 250 volts at 9 amps. So it's probably topped out. I'll be cutting it really close if I attach this additional string to it. So what I'm going to do is just bring over another box and have it as a standalone system. These 2 systems will be isolated until they get to the inverter box. Now, because this is only 9 amps, I'm probably going to change the conveyance conductors to these number 14 cables. Well, wires, I can't really call them cables. And I'm going to take the number 8 and number 10 over here and route it to the higher amperage one. Eventually it'll have higher amperage because we have 8 more panels to put on the Solyndras. So yeah, and hopefully come the weekend everything will work out as planned. All right, signing out.